Hi guys, welcome to another video by TechSearch.
Today, we are going to explore an exciting product by H2AI, which is called Document AI. So, Shamil, before we jump into the main topic, could you please give us some idea on what H2AI actually is?
Yes, Pooran. H2AI is the visionary leader in democratizing AI. It is the trusted AI partner to more than 20,000 organizations around the world. Our platform, the H2AI Cloud, enables businesses, government entities, and many other institutions to make, operate, and innovate with AI to accelerate responsible innovation and push the boundaries of what is possible with artificial intelligence.
Great. So now, what is Document AI?
Document AI is a tool that extracts key information in a meaningful manner that businesses need from documents. In it, we use computer vision to recognize characters in documents, and natural language processing is to understand the text on documents. Currently, businesses can and key in documents manually in an old-fashioned way, which can be expensive and time-consuming. You can use Document AI to automate this tedious process.
So, we know that humans can make mistakes if you do it manually, since it's a boring task. But we also know that almost all the machine learning models are not 100% accurate. What does Document AI do to handle that?
Document AI outputs confidence scores. You can look at them to get an idea about the accuracy. Also, you can do additional validations to increase the confidence in order to reduce the human effort. It will help you to get the easy menial task load out of the way by passing them straight through.
So, how is Document AI different from other typical NLP solutions?
Usually, NLP models are trained on text data that follows paragraph structure. But documents can be concise and may not follow that structure. For example, the location of the text in a receipt or an invoice is important. Document AI use modern AI techniques that are recent and custom built for documents. They can be used to create custom solutions for specific use cases which also understand the specific layout and formatting of documents.
How is H2O Document AI different from other general purpose Document AI tools?
H2O Document AI is different from other general purpose document AI tools in that it creates custom solutions for specific use cases based on context rather than trying to interpret any document that is put in. Let's say your business receives different invoices with a date on it. As a person, you understand that it's the record date. But usually, general purpose document AI tools only recognize it as just text or maybe a date. With H2O Document AI, you can add context with labels to fine-tune, and it should be able to recognize the record date even in previously unseen invoice types. I think this is a good place to start our demo. To access H2O Document AI, first you need to log into your H2O AI Cloud. If you are new to HIC, you can request access for a trial account. Once logged in, you can see Document AI at the top of the web UI. Before going through the tutorial, let's see the flow of H2O Document AI model from creation to consumption. It has a basic 7-stage process as shown here. It starts with the ingest stage, where you can upload your document to Document AI. It allows you to handle a wide variety of documents such as scanned images, documents with embedded text, and documents with regular text. Next, it comes to the pre-processing stage. Here in pre-processing, it supports recognizing and handling embedded text, recognizing and handling logos, page orientation resolution, cropping, and many more. The third stage is labeling. In this stage, it adds, improves, and validates label. It integrates with common label formats. Then it comes to the train model stage. Here we have to select the training dataset within H2O Document AI, and it will automatically learn the document and create models. For language understanding and layout recognition, it uses learning based on machine learning, deep learning, and transformer architectures. It uses multiple computer vision and NLP algorithms to perform tasks like entity recognition, document and page classification, form understanding, and many more. Then it comes to the post-process stage. This is to ensure consistency, accuracy, and organization of scored documents. In the deployment stage, there are multiple options you have to deploy your model. If you are more familiar with H2O based products, you can deploy this model in a specific H2O product called H2O MLOps. If not, you can deploy it in your cloud or on-premises environment. After deploying your models, you can consume the model through business apps, store data and batch score in real time to obtain predictions. To start with H2O Document AI, first you need to create a project. In the landing page, you can see the Create Project button. Once you click on it, it opens a form to fill with basic info. You can add the project name, description, and upload relevant documents to the project. Images, PDFs, and zip files are supported in Document AI. You can click on the Create Project button. It will take some time to run the process. Once it's created successfully, you can see that all pages are updated with necessary details. You can move on each page and check on it. The next step is to run the OCR to extract the tokens from your files. For that, navigate to the Document Sets page and click on the files you have uploaded and click the OCR button, which is at the top navigation bar. It will open an OCR launch page. Fill the form with necessary info. There is a list of OCR methods to select, and the recommended one is called BEST. You can see the rest of the OCR methods and relevant descriptions for them as well. By providing result name and description, you can run the OCR. When your OCR job is finished running, you can access your tokens from the Annotation Sets folder. It will have the attributes, text, and confidence attached to its file. Navigate to the Annotation Sets page. Your two annotation sets should be the OCR token set you just created and the blank labeling set that got uploaded to this page when you created your project. Find your blank annotation set. Go to the end of its row and click the drop-down arrow next to the info button. Then click Edit in Page View from the drop-down options. This will take you to the annotations page. Here you can use region attributes to label your files. Provide attribute name and click the plus icon to add the attribute type. Use drop-down as the attribute type and provide the option IDs you will want to use to label your regions. Then you can apply bounded boxes to create a labeling region on your image. Drag your cursor and cover the area and select the relevant region ID from the drop-down menu. Cover your all uploaded documents with relevant labels. Then save your work by clicking the Save button on the top toolbar. To apply labels, navigate back to the Annotation Set page. Now the label attribute is there in the label set. To create a token labeling model, you need to combine it with the token set to have a file that has both label and text attributes. Click the Apply Label button in the top navigation bar. First, select the OCR file which has text attributes. Next, select the labeled file set. Then, provide a name and a description. Finally, we have to select what Document AI should do if labels are missing from a page. Here, we are assuming there are no labels in the labeled page. Once the job finished running, the labeled token set will appear on your annotation set. Now we are going to build and train a token labeling model. Click on the newly created labeled token set and click on the train model. At the launch page, select token labeling as your model type. Make sure to provide your labeled token set as a training annotation set. Give a name and description and move on by keeping evaluate toggle off since we have no validation set. Then click on train. At the end, you can get your train model at the models section. You can now export your model from here and use it wherever you expect to use this model.
So, what is H2O doing to improve Document AI?
Document AI is expanding by adding more OCR libraries and offering more options for natural language processing models. For example, H2O wants consumers to have more languages and different algorithms to choose from.
Okay, We hope that now you guys have a basic understanding about Document AI of H2O. If you enjoyed this excerpt, please like and share. If you have any suggestions, feedback or questions, don't hesitate to comment.
We are planning to bring you more useful content from different tech fields in the future. So, to stay tuned, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you soon.